Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Franklin Moore of MTech Kansas Computer Center at United States. In today's class, we are going to look at use of rank function on pivot tables, charts, pivot charts, and Microsoft Excel. And join me in today's class and to understand effectively how to make use of rank function.
Okay, welcome back. In this class, we are going to look at how to plot a chart, right? So you can actually see our position and how we rank the male and the female, what is their position in class, what is their average, how do they rank, or the states, what are their individual positions. So I would prefer to do that using pivot table. So to get pivot table, just click anywhere within your table. So if I click outside the table, I don't see my design tab showing me here. But whenever I click within my table, the design tab comes up, right? So that means from the design tab, I will see an icon, a command, summarize using pivot tables. So I'm going to select summarize using pivot tables. So I don't have any need for position in this pivot table. Probably I don't have any need for name. I can select the range of what I need, or I can still leave it there anyway. I can select the range. Well, this is just what I need. I can just select that, or I do this. Allow it to be on the entire table. Whichever one. The pivot table allows me to fill in the fields that I need. So I will leave it like that. I always want my pivot table to be on a different worksheet and not on the same worksheet that I have. So I say OK. So I have my pivot table here. So this is my pivot report. My report column is here. My fields are here. So my report is empty because I've not selected available fields from my pivot table fields. So any field that I selected, I'm going to have it appear on my report column. So I need the field for gender. I'm going to select gender, so it has sorted it out. I have just male and female gender there. So I have a field for, if I uncheck it, goes. I have field for states. I have states there. Alright? So I can have a field for gender too. So gender appears here, but if I want the gender to appear on the column, I have to change the order. From rows, I'm going to drop it to columns. So I'm going to take the gender and drop it here. So now I have female, I have male. So I'll just click on the score so I can actually see on the female, on Abia State, there is no score for female in Abia State, but there is score for male. That means I don't actually have any male, any female in Abia State. Let's get back to our class to confirm. That means all the Abia people that I have here are all male, so there is no female there. So that gives us the reason why there is nothing. The same thing applies to Imo State, and also in Delta State, you can see there is no male in Delta State. So I can see the male score, the total score, and then the female score, and all that. Okay. All right. So I can also decide to summarize by count if I don't want it to summarize to me by total. So summarize this by count and all that, okay? Alright, so it's going to give me grand total. You can say summarize value by count. So I only have 4 persons that are here, and in the male, summarize value by count. I can also have just 6 persons, that means a total of 10 persons, which is correct because I just have 10 values here. Right, so I can leave it the way it was before. I can say, oh, please don't summarize to me by count, summarize by average. Can have average, so I have average there. So everything has come to average score. Average score of the female, average score of the male, and average score of everybody. Alright? So what else I can do? I decide to remove the gender, and I can see how the states are varying. Or I can decide to remove the states, include the gender, and I will also see the average scores here. Summarize by sum. So give me the total sum of all of them. So to plot a chart, I have to go to analyze, and I will see pivot charts. So with pivot chart, I can have a pie chart, I can have a bar chart, I can have a column chart. So I simply click, or a line chart inside the one that I need. Okay. So I have bar chart. This is a column chart. If it's a line chart, it goes this way. Everything is progressing. Whereas a bar chart, it goes this way. If it's a pie chart, you can have a pie chart like this. What is pie chart? This pie chart. Alright, cool. So I have my pie chart here. Okay, oh, I need it by state. I don't actually want my pie chart to summarize like this. So I can have my pie charts here. Alright, so let's go down to see to work on our chart very well. So we can also do all these stuff like changing the fill color and all that, even giving it gradient effects or pattern color and everything. So let's find pattern. If we can give it some pattern effects. So pattern, change the color to orange and then to green. Right? So I can choose any pattern of my choice. I'm okay with it. I can give it some effects. So you can see the effects as I hover over them. See that. Let's choose one effect. So I can also change my chart type, my design. I can go there. Probably I need a chart that has percentage inside, so I can actually see the percentage value very well. I did that and my fill effects has to be sharp. I want to bring that back. Okay. Alright, so that's how you can plot a chart, and I can decide to export my chart. I want to move my chart to a different, back to move chart. I say move it to, select the sheet, move it to class. So that is where it belongs. I've already moved it, so it has come to where I have my class table showing. Alright, so that's how you can plot a chart in Excel using pivot table. Thanks, I'll meet you in the next class.